Good morning. I need to get my car serviced. Can you help me? Of course. What seems to be the issue with your car? There's a strange noise coming from the engine, and I think the brakes might need checking. Got it. When was the last time you had the car serviced? About 6 months ago. Alright, we'll start with a full inspection to identify any issues. Would you like us to do a standard maintenance service as well? Yes, please. What does the standard maintenance include? It includes an oil change, checking the air filters, tire pressure, brake pads, and topping up all fluids. That sounds good. How long will it take? The full service usually takes about 2 to 3 hours, depending on the issues we find. Okay, how much will it cost? The basic service starts at $100, but additional repairs or part replacements may cost extra. That's fine. Could you also check the tires? They seem a bit worn out. Sure. If they need replacement, we'll let you know. What brand of tires would you prefer? Something durable but not too expensive. Can you recommend one? I'd suggest Michelin or Bridgestone. Both are reliable and reasonably priced. Alright, go ahead. Will you notify me if there's a major issue? Absolutely. We'll call you before proceeding with any major repairs. Thank you. Is it okay if I leave the car here and pick it up this evening? Yes, that works perfectly. We'll call you once the car is ready. Great. By the way, do you offer a warranty for your services? Yes, we provide a 6-month warranty for all repairs and replacements. That's good to know. I'll leave the keys with you, then. Thank you. We'll take good care of your car.